Yeah, so getting back to the solution side from our standpoint, the construction industry, maybe the masonry industry in particular, is agonizingly slow to change. And we've been laying brick, block, and stone for the same way for, I could almost be a little ridiculous and say 100 years. And so when the change does come along like this, the 32-inch block and the mule, we don't want to miss this one. I believe that this is the perfect combination of equipment and materials to really address the challenges that we mentioned of, potentially attracting the youth, because there's a computerized side to it, regaining market share because we'll be faster and we can meet these crazy schedules that we'll talk about here coming up. And so I really believe that this has fantastic potential to better our industry. We're going to provide better working conditions for our team members. Instead of lifting 12-inch block or 32s all day long, gosh, you got this lift, mule assist lift, which works wonderfully. And these guys are going to go home feeling pretty good and working smart instead of hard. The other solution this is going to provide mind is meeting the ever-tightening schedule. So we did a job and got this MOB about 6 months ago. They submitted the plans and specs to the building department, and of course what happened, 5 months worth of delays. And so when they do get the building permit, all the major contractors on the line, we all been in this boat. What do? They say, okay guys, now we got to make up that 5-month delay. And so what they came to us with on this particular job we've got, there's 7,000 block in this job and they wanted it done in 10 days. And your first reaction was, oh my gosh, that's impossible. You're talking 10-hour days, you're talking Saturdays. But now we have an option. Instead of saying no and get bent out of shape, I've got this option where I sat at the table and I said, okay, well, if you're going to throw a 10-day schedule at us, how about you guys look at changing to us providing this 32-inch block that Basalite is using, and using this mule lift assist that Construction Robotics has happened, and I might just be able to achieve this crazy schedule you're kind of throwing at us. So I think we got all kinds of opportunity on the schedule side to really better our industry.